Next thing that I want to show here is something called as expose. Now the expose here is different than port mapping. If I switch back to the presentation, you can see the Docker container here has the port 80 that is mapped to 9000. If you want for documentation purpose, you can say that, hey, I am exposing port 80 on this container. But that is not required. This is more like a documentation purpose that you are letting the user know that port 80 will be exposed. But if you remember, when we run the image and the HTML file, we never exposed anything, but when we did port mapping, everything was working. So typically, if you want, and as a good practice, you should have the expose command here, like 80 is HTTP, and if you say HTTPS, that is 443, you can expose both of them here. But again, that does not mean that ports will actually do something. Main thing that you have to do is port mapping that we did with the docker run command. So once again, expose is basically good documentation, and that's about it.